We got a 2017 Bennington 22 SLX here. This boat has the new Firecracker orange color for 2017. It's a brand new color Bennington just came out with. This SLX model is a standard L-shaped model in the back here. Sofas in the front with the loungers on them. It's been one of our best-selling layouts for years now. This has the sandstone interior with the Firecracker orange interior accent on it. This boat comes with the extended front deck, woven vinyl slate flooring. You also have a smoky granite accent stripe here. Kind of breaks the color up a little bit. Bennington comes standard with a 10-year bow stern warranty. That warranty covers your interior vinyl, your canvas, your gauges, the radio, everything on the boat. The deck and the tunes comes with a lifetime warranty. We have this one powered with a 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Got a change room in the back here. Cockpit table. Storage underneath all the seats and the loungers. This has a 4-speaker kicker Bluetooth sound system and a Garmin GPS system here off to the side. That's a colored unit, fish finder, depth finder. It has your water temperature, chart plotter. If you have any questions on this boat or any other boat we have in stock, give us a call at 814-658-BOAT.